I'm changing out my rotors on my C43 StopTech brake system, and I have full floating rotors, so I thought I would just create a little video here for those people that are wondering what they sound like. So here we go. You can see it's ever so slightly loose on the rotor. So at the rotor, you don't get pad knockback, and you just get a better brake system with a floating rotor. So that's the noise it makes when you're driving at slow speeds. At higher speeds, never notice it. There you go. So I'm replacing this, so I pull these out. And I end up with this here, which is this on one side, this on the front side, and that's what puts it all together. You can, with these systems, get a spring on these so that you don't get as much movement, you don't get that noise. It's not quite as good for the track, but plenty good probably in most cases. But for me, that noise doesn't bother me. My car's just a track car. So there you go.